Let me show you step by step how I built this balloon arch for my baby's first birthday. This is actually very cool. You just stick the glue onto this plastic strip that it comes with, and then you just stick the balloons and then organize them how you like. This is what I have so far. Package, everything it came with. All these balloons, confetti, which I didn't realize was in there, which is cool. And then some balloon glue. Here, they're like little dots. I didn't realize that was in there either. Ribbon, glue. I guess this is for... What I found to be the most helpful was to blow up all the balloons first. Then before you glue anything, I like to leave a little space on the end so that there's room to hang it. Then I put the glue on the strip and arranged it with various shapes and colors. I used 2 tacks to hold up the strip to hold the arch in place. This was my first time ever doing this, and I found it pretty simple, and it took me probably less than an hour. We're gonna open up these stainless steel pans. They're very heavy duty. Oh. They definitely feel substantial. It says 18/0 stainless steel.
Wait.
No, baby. Comes with 2 in the pack. It's actually very nice. I am really surprised that it's such good quality. It's my baby's first birthday and I wanted to make some pre-made cupcakes, so I ordered this cupcake holder and it holds 24 cupcakes and I absolutely love it. Obsessed. It works perfectly. It's exactly what I was looking for. It's adorable. Highly recommend it. It's perfect for transporting, taking to parties or whatever. 5 stars. I just got this cupcake holder for my baby's first birthday, so I'm going to put it together and show you guys how it looks. It comes disassembled in this cardboard box. Everything's wrapped individually in plastic, and it's pretty intuitive. I first started with the little balls that go on the bottom. Then you just screw on the pieces in the middle. It does come with instructions that's very easy to follow. Add on that second piece. It's just easy to screw in. Add on that top piece, and that's it. So easy. It took me a few minutes. It's super adorable and exactly what I was looking for. Love it. How cute are these cupcake party hats? I just got this for my baby's 1-year birthday. I'm gonna open it up and let's see what it looks like. Very cute. Perfect. It's so cute.